Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today I am going to swatch and talk about and of course paint my nails together with you with two beautiful neon polishes that actually blow me away. I really wasn't even imagining these would be as good as they actually are. I bought these at Boozy Shop, which is a local makeup store, but you can order from them if you're, I think, in the UK, Spain, anywhere in Europe pretty much. So yeah, I actually bought these on sale months ago. I kid you not. These are by W7 Cosmetics, which is a pretty old school brand if you ask me. I've known this brand for such a long time. I'd say 15 years, maybe even longer. It's been around, people. It's really been around, and I feel like it's overlooked a lot, not just makeup wise but nail polish wise as well. But as I mentioned, I bought these during a sale. I think I got them for €1, maybe €1.50. It definitely wasn't over €2 that I paid for these, but these were on my nail desk for such a long time, and actually last weekend we decided to go on a little family trip and I was like, I'm gonna paint my toenails, and I just grabbed this pink one which is called Fuchsia. I'm already applying the first coat right here, and I only applied one coat to my toenails because it was so opaque. I was blown away. My socks were blown off. How do you say that? That saying, I'm blown off of my socks. I don't know. I don't even know how to say that. But I am really impressed. I really did not expect this at all, especially for a polish that I bought during a sale. I actually bought these and was like, you know, for less than €2 I can try it, but I'm not getting my hopes up because neon colors tend to be really sheer. A lot of them actually need a white opaque base underneath for the colors to really pop and be opaque. So to see this polish being this opaque within the first coat, I was so excited to try the yellow color that I bought during that same sale as well. Also got that one with the thought of, this is going to be so sucky, but at least I can try to make it work somehow, maybe with the white base underneath or anything like that. So yeah, just my mind is blown while applying these polishes. And of course, as usual, or at least as usual since a couple of months, I am painting my non-dominant hand while at it, since this video only contains two separate polishes. Just doing one hand would make it a video of 2.5 minutes, and I think that's no fun, you know. I don't get a lot of spare time anymore since my baby boy is here. He's already 7 months. Can you imagine? Time flies so fast, but as quickly as time goes, it also means I don't have a lot of spare time. So if I do have a little time and the baby's napping, for example, I sit down, I paint my nails like crazy, record the video while at it, and just hope for the best. And as you can see here, I'm totally not used to painting my non-dominant hand on camera anymore because I'm out of focus all the time. I'm really sorry about that, but you know, sometimes you just have to use the footage that you have, and I think it's more fun to just show you what I actually do, how I paint my dominant hand with my non-dominant hand, because I do get a lot of questions about that, how do you do that. I do have some cleanup afterwards. I will show you in this video as well. I'm not perfect, but you just have to stay calm and collected and try not to shake as much. But yeah, this second color is actually called Hawaii, which is also very opaque, especially for a neon yellow. Seriously, this is highlighter neon yellow, and just look at how opaque it is within the first coat. It definitely needs a second layer to be completely opaque, but if you do have shorter nails and you are applying a little bit of a thicker coat, you can definitely wing it with just one layer. But yeah, not to ramble like endlessly about these polishes and like raving non-stop. Like the footage, it speaks for itself, you know. I just love the way especially the pink looks within that first coat. But of course I will be going in with a second one a little later in this video. But first of all, how have you guys been doing lately? I feel like I'm a little bit out of touch with everyone, so definitely let me know in the comment section down below what you've been up to lately. Are you having any summer holidays, vacation, or maybe you're still working, going to school, going to university or college? Let me know in the comments down below, because I feel like I'm so focused on being a mom and working that my YouTube and my entire nail family here at YouTube is a little bit like disappearing in the background. I'm really trying to keep posting at least one short a week next to maybe a full-length video a week, but as I mentioned, I don't have a lot of spare time anymore. I never actually really had, to be honest, but you know, I just have to make it work. But yeah, I just really wanna connect with you guys again, and especially all of the new subscribers. Hi, welcome. Welcome to my little nail family. Definitely let me know how you guys have been doing, what you've been up to, and also what is on your nails right now. Let me know in the comment section down below. Maybe you are painting your nails together with me while watching this video. I get a lot of comments of guys and girls actually telling me how they like to relax just listening to me talking and painting their nails while at it. So yeah, let me know what you're wearing, what are you applying. I'm really curious, and maybe even on the lookout for some new nail polishes, even though I really don't need any additional new polishes. I think my collection is over 3,000 polishes at the moment, and that's not counting my gel polishes, which are insanely high in amount as well. It's crazy. But yeah, if you do know any really cool new collections out there, doesn't matter what kind of polishes. I really like opaque ones, I like creamy ones, I like glittery ones, I like anything polish related, to be honest. It's almost like an AA group, but then for nail polish addicts here. It's like, hi, I'm Femke and I'm a nail polish enthusiast, hoarder, fanatic, addict. Let's just say it as it is. But yeah, definitely let me know if you're like, if you know any good new collections, and maybe there's something I haven't seen yet and it might interest me. So yeah, I'm actually already applying the second coat of the pink fuchsia color. It definitely is a hot pink. It does look a little darker now it is fully dried and the top coat is on it. Now I look at my nails, but it's still really gorgeous. I do feel like on camera, especially when the polish is still wet, it looks a little bit like a hot pink with a drop of orange in there. In real life, and maybe now it's because it's late at night, it's almost 11 p.m. And I have like LED lighting around me, which is a little bit warmer. It does look a little bit more dark and a little bit more cool toned, but that might just be the lighting. It definitely is a super bright polish, just hot pink, Barbie pink, love it, gorgeous. I can't say anything else about these polishes. I'm just so happy that I just bought them without really expecting much, actually expecting them to be really bad, because W7 Cosmetics, as I mentioned, I've known the brand for such a long time, and there are only a couple of items in their collection, like makeup wise as well, that I really liked. They actually had a really good brow pencil that matched my hair color perfect, like spot on. It was perfection. But they actually discontinued that one, so I really never looked into the brand anymore. Also, their nail polishes like 15 years ago were really like synthetic smelling. Like usually nail polish has like the typical nail polish smell, but those were like, ugh, to the max, you know. If you would like use them, your nails would still smell like super synthetic, yuck, nail polish scent even after 5 days. So I feel like they did definitely change something in their formula, especially like, hello, have you seen how opaque these are? But also scent wise, I feel like they don't use the weird ingredients that they used to do like 15 years ago. So they're actually a lot more nice to work with, like fume like. But yeah, I already applied the second layer of Hawaii. I'm actually gonna do a little cleanup because, you know, I don't paint my nails a lot anymore, and especially painting with my non-dominant hand, I have a tiny, like a couple of tiny spots to clean up, as you can see here. So I'm just taking a little bit of my non-acetone remover and a very small detail brush, which is actually not a nail art brush. It's just a regular like painting brush, but for really small details. But I just simply use it as a cleanup brush, or maybe even a nail art brush if I ever get the chance once again to sit down and actually do some nail art. But other than that, it's a really nice brush, even though it's not really intended for what I use it for. But yeah, I actually used to have an angled eyebrow brush with like those stiff bristles as a cleanup brush. I really seriously can't find it anymore. I do have a couple of backups, but I really have to dig in my backup drawer for that. And it's kind of like, it's covered with a lot of other boxes, so it's really not easy for me to get in there. But yeah, I'm getting some remodeling done in the house in like a couple of weeks, like 4 weeks. I'm getting new windows, new like window sills, I'm getting new doors, the whole shebang. So once that is fully done, it will take a full week to do my entire house. I kid you not, it's gonna be so messy, so dusty, like shit all over the place. But after that's done, I really hope to get my nail stuff more organized once again and just get it all out of the way so I can actually go into my nail polish drawers. But yeah, that's just a little side rant. I'm actually already, if we're looking at the footage, applying my top coat, which is one by What's Up Nails. I really like this top coat. It's called Gloss Over. It is a super glossy finished top coat, and it dries really fast as well. Now I have to mention that when I recorded this video was on the 3rd. It was actually yesterday if you're watching this video on the day it's uploaded. It is really hot here in the Netherlands, and also in my house, which is crazy. I try to like keep it as cool as possible, especially for baby, because he is not sleeping well because of it. But yeah, it's not doable, and this is also a reason why I am getting new windows and window sills and doors, just to keep the heat out but also the warmth in winter. But yeah, it's really hot, so it already dries really quickly. I really had a little bit of struggle with the nail polish colors. I really had to work a little bit more fast than I was planning on, because the polish was actually drying when looking at it. But yeah, this top coat is actually really nice. This one was sent out to me by What's Up Nails, I think a couple of years ago already, but I still really like it. And of course I do store my nail polishes in a dry, cool, dark place, so they actually go they don't go bad in their bottles for at least a decade. I have polishes that are over a decade old, which are still perfectly fine to use. But yeah, this was already the entire new like swatcheroo video, just me being super enthusiastic and happy and just really eager to share my find of these beautiful neon nail polishes that are insanely good and actually really affordable as well. I'm actually planning on checking to see if there are more W7 like nail polishes, also neon ones, because these were really great. So I'm hoping to see if they have more which are really great. I will keep you posted on that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual I hope to see you in my next video.